protein shake, I will be using instant oatmeal. Then I'm going to add a half a cup of dry roasted peanuts. Next, I'll be using Nature Valley granola, protein, oats, and honey. 1/2 a cup of this is about 10 grams of protein. Next, I'm going to be using this half and half, and I'm going to use about 1/2 a cup of this. Now I'm going to add 1 cup of this protein, almond, and cashew milk. It has 10 grams of protein in 1 cup. Next, I'm going to add this organic maca root powder. I got this from Trader Joe's. Maca root is used a lot to help with weight gain because it contains a lot of nutrients that helps improve your metabolism, and it also helps with muscle growth. Next, I'll be adding 1 scoop of this Garden of Life organic plant-based protein. It has 30 grams of protein. And the last thing that I'll be adding is 1 tablespoon of peanut butter. This is definitely optional if you don't like peanut butter, but I wanted the extra calories, so I am adding peanut butter. I hope this video was helpful for you guys, and if you want to see more videos like this, including videos about what I eat in a day, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.